Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to our BlindsBox Plantation Shutters installation guide. Today, we'll guide you through the easy steps to install your new Plantation shutters. All you'll need is a few basic tools and a can-do attitude. For the larger windows, we recommend a buddy to help you out. Tools required: a Stanley knife to cut the box open, a drill. We recommend cordless, but it's not mandatory. A large flat area to assemble your shutter frame, which is close to the window that you're going to be installing on. Step 1. Carefully unpack. Firstly, carefully slice open the panel box by running the knife down where the packaging tape joins the box. Do the same for the long frame box. Please be mindful not to damage the Plantation shutter surface with a Stanley knife. Inside the frame packaging, you will find a little box which we call the hardware box. It includes the Hoffman keys, pins for the hinges, and some Step 2. Assemble the frame. This step requires the use of the 4 Hoffman keys. We start this step by laying out the frame on the floor so that it is aligned the way it will be installed on the window. To help you achieve this, the left, right, top and bottom of the frame have been labelled. Once the labels are laid out correctly oriented, please pay attention to the side that the hinges and magnet plates are on. For each corner of the frame, insert a Hoffman key into the groove on the miter. You may be able to push this in with your fingers, but if not, you may need to gently tap it in. Avoid excessive force. With the frame assembled, we recommend that you pre-drill the holes in the frame for the screws. This will make mounting it easier. We want a minimum of 2 screws per side near the panel hinges. You may require extra screws for the top and bottom of larger shutter frames. Step 3. Installing the frame. Carefully lift the frame up into position. Having a buddy to help will make this easier. Now drive the screws. It is key that you install the shutter frame in a square position so that the panels will fit and operate correctly. This is an important consideration as many window frames are not perfectly square. Step 4. Installing the panels. We lift the shutter panels into the frames. Align each panel's hinges with the hinges on the frame. These are pre-installed in the factory so they will line up. Insert the hinge pin by pushing down. Close your panel, which should then catch onto the magnet plate in the shutter frame. Step 5. Adjusting the panels. Test your panels by opening and closing them. If they need adjustment, you can do this by using the elongation of the hinge to move the panel up and down. Once you have the panels in the ideal position, you can secure them by using the lock screw provided. And there you have it. Your Plantation shutters are installed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Enjoy your new window furnishings from BlindsBox.